Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today in QuickBooks Point of Sale I'm going to talk about how to assign your customers to a specific tax location. We talked about tax locations in a previous video and how to set them up. Now we are going to implement them for specific customers. So, before we get into it, I'm going to have you click on the link down in the description below to get over to our QuickBooks Point of Sale Facebook group where you can join up, ask questions, request videos, talk to like-minded QuickBooks Point of Sale community who enjoy answering your questions if you're having any problems. And if you're on YouTube, don't forget to hit subscribe down below so you get all the latest, greatest QuickBooks Point of Sale videos coming at you all the time. All right. I'm going to quickly recap and get into preferences and company here. Down in the tax area on the left hand side, sales tax right here. It's going to talk to QuickBooks Financial for a moment to make sure that it has everything straight. And you can see that we have set up a number of tax locations. This is usually going to come into play with your customers who maybe you do deliveries or shipments to. If you are actually exchanging goods in a different county or different state, then you may be liable for the taxes at the place where your goods change hands. I think that's the official wordage. I don't work at the IRS or anything, but that's as far as I understand it. So your local sales tax in QuickBooks Point of Sale is going to be what is normally used on every single receipt by default without you doing anything. That is what you set, unless, I guess, I take that back, unless you've changed the default tax location for this particular store. That comes in a little more into play with multi-store, as you might see in a different video. But today I'm going to pretend that I have some customers that live in North Lake and that we drop off some products to them sometimes or something like that. So let's get to it. I just wanted to show you what we got. We got 7.25 on local, and we got 7.75 in North Lake, where we sometimes drop off some products for a particular customer. Now I'm going to hit the customer list, and I'm just going to find some random customer who doesn't have a whole lot going on yet. Let's see. We'll use Tim Johnson here. Tim Johnson bought a snowblower from us once, but that's besides the point. I'm going to hit edit on Tim Johnson, and right here in Tim Johnson's profile, I'm going to say his tax location is North Lake. So I'm saving that now, and we are going to show you what that means on the make a sale screen. So Tim Johnson called us up, and he decided that he wanted us to deliver to him, I don't know, what would we're going to deliver him some orange highlighters. Yeah, because that makes no sense at all. All right, so he has ordered a delivery that we are going to drop off at his site. We are going to add the customer to the receipt here. Tim Johnson. I thought it was Tim Johnson. Maybe I'll look for Johnson. There it is. Tim. Pops up right away and it says this customer is associated with the North Lake tax location. Do you want to change it to North Lake? This is a nice little reminder. If he's standing in front of you in your store, then you can say no and just go with the default tax. But I'm going to say yes, we're delivering this. And down here, apparently I have my highlighters set to non-tax. That is incorrect. So if this were a taxable item, which it is now we have the North Lake tax down here of 27 cents. So there you have it, folks. That is how you set the tax location for a particular customer so that it pops up and lets you know if you're delivering it to them into their hands in their own county or city or state or whatever. Then you can use the alternate tax, and that'll flow over to QuickBooks Accounting and land in the North Lake tax location code. All right, my name's Peter with BlackRock Business. Thanks for coming along in this little journey in tax code locations. You have yourself an excellent day. Bye-bye now.